This question is from GATE 2014 Mechanical Engineering paper set 3, question number 53. The diameter of recessed ring was measured by using two spherical balls of diameter D2 60 mm and D1 40 mm as shown in the figure. The distance H2 is 35.55 mm and H1 is 20.55 mm. The diameter D, capital D, in millimeter of the ring gauge is dash. Let's see how this will be solved. So for this question, we are simply going to use geometry and trigonometric law. So first thing, we know that this distance that is required, that is D, will be equal to radius of this bigger cylinder plus radius of the smaller cylinder, which will be nothing but D1 by 2 plus D2 by 2 plus this R, that is distance between center of the bigger cylinder A and the smaller one C, noted as R. So we have capital D is equal to D1 plus D2 by 2 plus R. Also AC is nothing but D1 by 2 plus D2 by 2, D1 by 2 plus D2 by 2. So we can write AC is equal to D1 plus D2 by 2. Let's substitute and find out. D1 is 40, D2 is 60 divided by 2, which is 50 millimeters. Now in this right angle triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we have AC as 50 millimeters. We need to find out R. So to find R, we will have to find BC, the height. Now, vertically, we are being given H1 and H2, capital H1 and capital H2. So we need to establish a relation between H1, H2 and BC. How will we do that? So H2 plus radius of this, that is D2 by 2, will give us H1 plus D1 by 2 plus BC. Both are equal. So we can write H2 plus D2 by 2 will be equal to H1 plus D1 by 2 plus BC. From here, after rearranging, we can get BC as H2 minus H1 plus D2 minus D1 by 2. Therefore, we have BC as H2 minus H1. H2 is given as 35.55 and H1 is 20.55 plus we have D2 is 60 and D1 is 40. So 60 minus 40 by 2. Let's find out BC. So BC is equal to, this becomes 15 plus this becomes 10. BC is 25 millimeters. So we have AC and BC in triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle. We can find out its base, which was R. So finally R will be equal to root over hypotenuse square, that is AC square, minus height square, which is BC square. Let's substitute and find it out. Under root 50 square minus 25 square. This is nothing but under root 1875, which is 43.301 millimeters. Now that we have R, we can go to our final step to find out capital D. Capital D is equal to D1 plus D2 by 2, which is 50. We already found out AC, D1 plus D2 by 2, that is 50, plus R is 43.301. This gives us D as 93.301 millimeters. Let's go back and fill in the answer. Diameter capital D in millimeters of the ring gauge is 93.301. To learn more about tolerances and fits, you can refer to the NPTEL video Manufacturing Tolerances and Fits from the course Metrology. This course is by Professor Dr. Kanakuppi Sidashivappa. He is from Department of Industrial and Production Engineering from Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.